go in is to make as much noise as you can and then fucking run in like this. And then you're in.
Naked just ran straight up in there. Cycled that.
It's probably me.
No, he was talking in voice.
Riley Reed's the guy I killed out front.
I'm gonna go over there with one mag. How'd you get out of the base?
I jumped from the twig on the shooting floor.
Onto the gate?
Yeah.
Try to destroy this turret and take the gun out of it if I can.
Killed them both.
Shit, I'm coming over to you then. Get a kit.
They have a lot of loot.
Coming. Where are you at? Are you
Inside.
up higher? Or oh, you're inside. How the fuck did you get inside?
I'm going on for the shooting floor. No, don't follow me. I don't know.
I'm trying to find.
I got him too.
Is there more loot or what?
Yeah, there's a ton of loot. And they have a whole like locked section with a bunch of loot in it. But they closed it. It's in like the second